I'm home alone, so I'm getting wild. Just kidding. Now I'm just gonna cut it, and I should probably be using a cutting board, but I have no idea where it is. Whoops. Oh shit. Here we go. I'm getting the hang of it. No. Yeah, this is really awkward because I'm really just talking to myself in my own kitchen. Oh my god, I can't cut this shit. Yeah. So as you can see, I have spreaded my potato edges, whatever, onto a baking sheet, and after I did that, I set my oven to 420, and next I just need to microwave some coconut oil. What the fuck? Why do people keep leaving their shit in here? Anyways, just gonna put that in there. Put it on for 20 seconds. And voila! Okay, now we're gonna get wild. We're just gonna spread this all over the sheet. I'm just gonna mix it all up. Oh, yeah. That doesn't sound good. So the fries are finally cooking. So that's lit. So now I'm just gonna chat while they bake. So I accidentally spoiled Grey's Anatomy for you just now because I told you that Callie leaves. Apparently you didn't know that. Why do I keep zooming in and out? I'm so sorry, I'm annoying. Yeah, I told you Callie left, but I thought you knew. So, sorry about that. Also, I just told you that I was making fries, and you were like, that's the easiest thing to do. Why do I keep zooming in and out? Fuck! You were like, that's the easiest thing to do, and I'm like, what the fuck? Did you see that? Oh my god, it's moving! Is that normal? I don't know how to cook. Well, that was fucking scary as hell. So I'm gonna go before I die. And I think that's the end of this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Suck my ass.